The perfect affiliate product that delivers real income? Playlistpromotion.com is here. Our music promotion tool that virtually sells itself. Founded in 2015, Playlist Promotion has grown to become one of the largest music promoters. The company is built on a unique idea. Choosing a legit music promotion company doesn't have to be complicated. Music promotion can be simple to understand and transparent. Making the right choice can be easy. But first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales generated from your referrers. It's essentially classic advertising in a less intrusive way. For example, you recommend a product or service to your followers through your website, social media, blog, or for example, email list. This can be a Facebook or Instagram post, a post on a blog or forum. Also, you could create explainers or video tutorials on using Playlist Promotion. Your followers purchase the product or service using your affiliate link, and you get paid a commission for the sales made using your affiliate link. The program benefits are 10% commission rate, which means up to $250 for each sale. 30-day referral period. Professional selection of creative banners and videos. Find them all on our website. Our responsive affiliate managers to be able to track your sales on phone or tablet. And as one of the top music promoters, Playlist Promotion is an industry leader with over 100 reviews. So how much can an affiliate earn? Basically as much as you want. As an example, some Playlist Promotion affiliates bring in a few hundreds, but also other who makes up to 5 numbers each month on affiliate sales alone. This is how it works. First, sign up as an affiliate on our website. The link is in the video description. Second, use your special tracking links to promote our service. You will receive those ones via email. Third, someone use one of your links to purchase a campaign. And fourth, the last step, you get paid. Do you have more questions? Please visit our website, playlistpromotion.com, or contact us at info@playlistpromotion.com. Join us today and take part in our success.